Hello, I am Gregoire de Lumley from France and I study at Elisabeth. I came to India in a semester exchange program in B.Tech Food Tech at Lumley Professional University. The semester exchange program at LPU has been a truly transformative experience, and I am really thankful for all the learning, friendships, and memories I've made here. One of the most exciting parts of my journey was the opportunity to discover India. I went to the Rock Garden in Chandigarh as well as the Golden Temple in Amritsar. Both places were magnificent and will leave me with unforgettable memories. The LPU campus has amazed me. Not only was its architecture very surprising, but it also had an exceptional learning environment. The food here is absolutely delicious, albeit quite spicy. But I have come to love it, just like I have come to appreciate the love and kindness of the people around me. Hello. And I am truly thankful for all the learning, friends, and memories I made here.